It's so funny. They were playing ring. Hey, come on, Mikey! Mikey, Kenny! Here they come, barreling down the trail. Oh my God! Don't hit me. Jeez, it's like playing chicken. Oh. Uh-oh. God. Pili. No, come on. Good girl. Good girl. Well, good. I like it when they go around this tree. It's so funny. I hope they keep going around the tree. It's like one of those comedies, you know, Three Stooges, where one stops and they look, and then the other one goes the other way and he sneaks up on them. Oh. Come on, Kenny! Mikey! Here we go again. Good. Around the tree again, not towards me. That's what I like. Hi, Pili. Okay. Should we get going back? Time to go back home. To the car? Okay, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Okay, we're going to sign off. Bye-bye.